Welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this little sprig of holly. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to do a slip knot and a chain 7. The hook that I use for this is an F hook, and the yarn that I use is just 4 worsted in a green and a red. I don't remember exactly what the brand is of this, as it was just some leftover pieces that I had. After you finish your chain, you're going to go into the second chain from the hook and do a single crochet. You are going to go into the next chain and do a single crochet and a chain 3. And once you complete your chain 3, you are going to do a slip stitch into that exact same chain that you started with that single crochet. Then you will move on to your next chain and do a single crochet in there. And this is the pattern that you are going to repeat 3 more times. You will put a single crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the exact same stitch that you came out of, single crochet, and you will do that all the way to the end of the row, in which you will finish with a chain 1. Now we're going to be working on the other side of our original chain. We are going to do a single crochet in the first chain, and then we'll do a chain 3 upon that and a slip stitch into the exact same chain that we came out of to start. We are going to do that a total of 3 times down the other side of the original foundation chain, and then at the very end we will do a chain 1. Upon completion of that chain 1, you are going to do a join to the very top of the leaf, and that would be onto the original foundation chain, and you are just simply going to do that with a slip stitch join, and that will put the leaf together, and you will be able to just at this point weave in the ends, and you will have one leaf of your holly. And you will just repeat this process to make your second leaf, and once you have both of those, you will be able to tie them together and you will be able to attach the berries, which we will look at doing next. You're going to want to change your yarn to red at this point, and we're going to start with a magic circle. We will do our magic circle and start with a chain 1. I'm going to slow down the video here so that you can see the various steps. So you're going to yarn over, go into the center of the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through the first loop on your hook, yarn over, go back into the center of the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through that first loop. And we are going to do that another time. So we'll yarn over, go into the center of the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, then we will yarn over and pull up through the first loop. At this point, you should have a total of 7 loops on your hook. And we are going to yarn over one more time and pull that string all the way through all the loops on your hook. The last thing that you are going to do is you are going to join to the very first stitch, and you are going to do a slip stitch to join this. You are also going to pull the end or the tail of the magic circle so it closes the loop, and there you have your first holly berry. I use these to attach the slippers, and I'll be doing a tutorial on that. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please hit the like button and leave me some comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you will know when I do my next video. Have a great day.